No shade, sand everywhere, too much stuff to carry, not knowing where to put your valuables, hot flip-flops, and a big cleanup are just some of the problems with going to the beach that we solve in these awesome beach life hacks to make your life easy.
Know before you go!
Number 1. Valuables. One of the main problems when you go to the beach is where to put your valuables when you want to take a swim. Many life hacks suggest putting them in ziplock bags and burying them. But if you're seen doing this, a thief can easily find them. Others suggest hiding your valuables in a diaper because no one is going to touch a diaper, right? But then again, no one is going to stop someone from picking up a dirty diaper and walking off with it. The best solution is to get yourself a waterproof pouch bag like the Syncwire. It's waterproof, touchscreen friendly and fully adjustable and comfortable to wear. It'll keep your valuables close and accessible while protecting them from sand, sea and sticky fingers. Number 2. Too much to carry. No matter how much you try to avoid it, there are some things that you need to bring for a day at the beach. A good way to reduce the quantity of stuff you have to lug around with you is to make sure the things you bring are multi-purpose, like this beach bag. There are various models that you can buy or even make yourself. These beach bags unfold to become your beach towel, and some versions even come with a pocket and a pillow. Number 3. Sunshade. Even though you may go to the beach to work on your tan, you will need some shade. Don't bother using the typical parasol that's awkward to carry and forever trying to blow away. Get a portable sun shelter like the G4 large pop-up beach tent. The tent pops up in a second and can be weighed down with 4 sandbags that come with it. Tie a coloured piece of fabric to the top so you can easily see your spot from the sea, and when you're finished, the whole thing just folds down into a flat, lightweight bag that's easy to carry. Number 4. Sand, sand, sand. If you have kids or you yourself are a big kid, then you know that sandy beach toys are a pain to carry, clean, dry and pack. Sure, you can clean them in the sea, but then you have to put wet toys into your beach bag and get everything else in there wet too. Well, not anymore. Why not make or buy a drawstring mesh backpack for your beach toys? Not only does it give you a separate place to pack, store and transport the toys, but now you can wash the toys in the sea and put them in the mesh bag, and here they will dry out on their own, keeping everything in your beach bag dry too. And thanks to its drawstring straps, each child can carry their own bag and wash and care for their own toys, which will teach them responsibility and take a load off your back. God level parenting. Number 5. Sand, 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 sand. Sand stuck on your hands, sand on your arms, sand stuck on your legs and feet. Go into the sea, wash it off, get out, and once again you have sand stuck on your hands, arms, legs and feet. It's a vicious cycle that seems impossible to break, but it's actually easier than you think. 2 words. Talcum powder. Take some talc to the beach with you. Apply it to your sandy feet and the sand just falls off. And the same thing happens with your arms, legs and hands. The talc also provides a layer of protection that prevents more sand from sticking to you, enabling you to exit the beach comfortably with zero chafing. Number 6. Flipping hot. A pair of sandals or flip-flops can save you from burning the soles of your feet on the sand, but leave them in the sun and the thong will scorch the tender skin between your toes, and the sole will feel like you've just stepped on a George Foreman grill. This can be avoided though. When you take your sandals off, leave them upside down on the sand, put them under your towel or dig a hole and partially bury them. This will keep your flip-flops cool and your feet happy. Did you find this video helpful? Comment below and please give us a like and subscribe.